Tell me that I'm special. Tell me I look pretty. Tell me I'm a little angel, sweetheart of your city. Say what I'm dying to hear, 'cause I'm dying to hear you. Tell me I'm that new thing. Tell me that I'm relevant. Tell me that I got a big heart, and back it up with evidence. I need it and I don't know why. This late at night, isn't it lonely? I'd do anything to make you want me. I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. You're one and only. So what's it gonna take for you to want me? I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. Tell me I'm going real big places, down to earth so friendly, and even through all the phases. Tell me you accept me. Well, that's all I'm dying to hear. Yeah, I'm dying to hear you. Tell me that you need me. Tell me that I'm loved. Tell me that I'm worth it, and that I'm enough. I need it and I don't know why. This late at night, isn't it lonely? I'd do anything to make you want me. I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. You're one and only. So what's it gonna take for you to want me? I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. The girl in your eyes. The girl in your eyes. Tell me I'm the number one girl. I'm the number one girl in your eyes. The girl in your eyes. The girl in your eyes. Tell me I'm the number one girl. I'm the number one girl in your eyes. Isn't it lonely? I'd do anything to make you want me. I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. You're one and only. So what's it gonna take for you to want me? I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. The number one girl in your eyes.
Yeah, when I dress, I don't think so much. I could be the gold, I don't need too much. I'ma set a goal, I'ma eat that lunch. Baby, so cold, get the ice cream truck. 끼리끼리 놀아볼까. Kitty, yeah, we gotta run this town. Hitting me up, cause I got what they like. Baby, got no chance, but I hit that dance. Nah, I'll be there. 고민하지 마. Nah, I'll be there. 망설이지 마. But you don't know about me. Yeah, you gon' know about me. Boy, 아름다운 별들이 빛나는 밤이야. What you say? 끝없는 떨어진대도 I'm shine as bright as diamond. Say my name. 다시 일어나. Now watch me do it all again. Baby got drip. You know we got that drip. Got the drip, yeah.
I could go and read your mind. Think about your dumb face all the time. Living in your glass house, I'm outside. Looking in her big blue eyes. Did it just to hurt me, make me cry? Smiling through it all, yeah, that's my life. You're an idiot, now I'm sure. Now I'm positive I should go and warn her. Ooh, bet you think that she's so cool. Kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. What you do to get you off? Taking down her hair like, oh my god. Taking off your shirt, I did that once or twice. I know, God. But I think I like her, she's so fun. Wait, I think I hate her, I'm not that evolved. I'm sorry, she's missing it. Sad, sad boy, not my business. But I had to warn ya. Ooh, bet you think that she's so cool. Kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. Ooh, you got me thinking she's so cool. But I know what I know, and you're just another dude. Ooh, that's so true. Made it out alive, but I think I lost it. Said that I was fine, said it from my coffin. Remember how I died when you started walking? That's my life, that's my life. I put up a fight, taking out my earrings. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? It's just spend the night, catch me on your ceiling. That's your prize, that's your prize. Well, bet you're thinking she's so cool. Kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. You got me thinking she's so cool. But I know what I know, and you're just another dude. Ooh, that's so true.
Baby, yeah, I'm busy. I'm thicker than a snicker. I'm thicker than a ninja. Don't act like you don't know me. These hands deserve a trophy. Baby, it ain't no mystery. Got the best BBL in history. This cake will make you show up. I know you've seen this glow up. As BBL busy. BBL busy.
Drizzy, what happened? Went from grassy to madness. Went from real to plastic. Man, this shit really tragic. Niggas laughing at you, shots fired from them BBL guns. Niggas really thought you were making hits for fun, but you ain't really make none. Your whole team on my beam. Finna smoke 'em like the green. When I pop up on the scene, nigga, please
Don't act
don't.
like you don't know me.
Finna show you who the real guy, cause Kendrick already hit you where it hurt and you done been robbed. Call him six fraud, now I'm pissed off. Better get lost, take this L and kick rocks. You ain't been a shit since you got off Wayne dick. Now Wayne sick, really thought he taught you better, guess he didn't. Stop pretending you the shit. Stop pretending you ain't Ken. Stop pretending you a man. Stop pretending you ain't him. Stop pretending you the one that really winning. You ain't really with it. Back to wheelchairs, we finna wheel him out. Think that surgery gave him a bigger mouth. Still don't give a fuck what he talking about. We can't hear him now. Yeah, this blunt too loud. Who I'm smoking on? See them Drizzy crowd smoking on a little owl. Feeling dizzy now. Drizzy got a BBL. Drizzy got a BBL. Drizzy got a BBL. Drizzy got a BBL. Drizzy got a Drizzy got a Drizzy got a BBL. Drizzy got a BBL. Drizzy got a
say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Lost in the words that we speak. I don't even wanna do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me, and all love's the only war worth fighting for.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Right next to you.
Next to you.
Right next to you.